Hello, hello. Good morning. Today I like present you some ideas concerning use of thermal waters, exploration of thermal waters for heating of Banska Bystrica in Slovakia and surrounding cities. I did at this area a lot of various geological, mineralogical examinations, and because of this I like present you this idea. Geological structures of old volcano Polana near Banska Bystrica is interesting for possible exploration of hot thermal waters. As you see, use of these waters is cheap, ecological. Heating of houses is at this area is possible. This is a schema idea of functioning of one of volcano at this area. This is big volcano called Polana, and drawing is prepared by Slovak geologist colleagues and is used for explanation of idea concerning heating using thermal waters at surrounding volcano areas. And stratovolcano Polana is cross-section done by Slovak colleagues, and as you see, this is center of volcano. The top is removed after explosion probably, and there are various types of magmatic rocks, mostly andesites, and below this volcanic lava, age of this lava is more or less 14-13 million years. Above these volcanic streams there are Mesozoic rocks represented by sedimentary rocks, type of fine sandstones, and type of limestones, dolomites, things like this, with containing karstic phenomenon, fissures, holes, etc. Andesite, these volcanic rocks produced by Volcano Polana. There are macroscopic photos of structures. There are various because there is a few lava streams coating quite big area and coating underlying Mesozoic rocks. These light crystals that are feldspars, most represented mostly by andesite type of plagioclasis, cemented with glass, volcanic glass. Under the microscopy, at thin sections, these andesites look like this. This is volcanic glass, and there are crystals, phenocrystals of biotite and heavy minerals, ore minerals, etc. And next example, this is type of plagioclase and volcanic glass, this material containing opaque minerals. And underlying these volcanic streams Mesozoic rocks are represented by this type of sediments. Outcrop of these sediments is near Lubietowa. As you see, these rocks are strongly crushed with many fissures, holes of tectonic as well as of karstic origin. So there are porous. It's important because of migration of hot waters at biggest depth. There is next example of rocks, Mesozoic underlaying andesitic streams connected with activity of volcano Polana. And technology of production of hot water will be relatively easy. This is a scheme of the volcano Polana, and there are andesites originating due to activity of volcano. There are 6. They have more than 100 meters, sometimes 200, and so on. And under these andesites of volcanic origin, there are limestones, Mesozoic rocks with fissures, cracked, etc. So relatively porous generally. And idea is to make 2 boreholes at the beginning, borehole A and borehole B. This will be used for pumping of cold water down. Then this water will migrate at hot limestones, through these fissures, cracks, etc., to the borehole B, and hot water will be explorated from this borehole B. More precisely looking to these details, this is enlarged geological situation. There are these andesites, various types, making isolation. It's important for functioning of this whole system. And there are Mesozoic rocks, limestones, siliceous rocks, various detrital rocks. So this is borehole number A. This will be cold water will be pumped down. Then at Mesozoic rocks, water will be heated because it's warm. Temperature of surrounding volcano Polana hot waters is above 53 degrees Celsius, but probably deeper temperatures will be near 100 degrees. And next, hot water from these Mesozoic rocks will be pumped up through the borehole B, and will go to heat exchanger. So at this part water will circulate like this, but at heat exchanger water will transfer temperature to external system, and next water from this external system from heat exchanger will be pumped to houses where will where will heat houses, etc. After cooling at houses, factories, offices, this water will be transported again to heat exchanger and will be again heated by thermal waters pumped from the Mesozoic rocks. And this system, it will go simple. This is problem of depth of boreholes, probably about 1,000 meters, slightly more than 1,000 meters will be enough to obtain very hot water during migration of this water through Mesozoic rocks, and later temperature will transfer to this external system and will heat houses. So this system, very similar, of course it's idea, it contains a lot of details, but this system, very similar, is used in Polish thermal center at Podhale area near Banska, near Zakopane, and it's working many years and is still very perfect. Problem is the depth of the boreholes and good localization of these boreholes, especially of borehole A and B, and good and right places. But according to the knowledge of Slovak archaeologists, these places is possible select from many other. And next is necessary to count energy produced by hot thermal waters and calculate how many houses is possible to heat using this thermal water. And of course it's necessary to make project of the detailed project of this system with many additional informations, diameter of pipes, energy of water, so. It's possible, I hope it's possible, obtain money for this thermal system and preparation of all system of heating of houses. It's possible to obtain money from European Union after preparing of special, of course, materials for Union, with calculation of all important data elements and so on. But for this region of Slovakia is practically only one ecological, relatively cheap system of the production of hot water and heating of houses. And because of this, I hope it's a great chance to obtain money from European Union, because Slovakia has not black coal or brown coal or gas or petrol for heating of houses. Solar energy is interesting and is very good, but mostly at summer months. In winter, during winter, when the sun is relatively low above the horizon and energy is not so big, these systems, solar system work not as well as at summer, of course, and heating is necessary for houses, for offices, and so especially at autumn winter and early spring, so at this time insolation is relatively small. So thank you for listening. This is general knowledge about possibility of use of thermal waters at the area of old volcano Polana near Banska Bystrica. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.